Good morning, student, and welcome to the math class. And today I explain exercise, new exercise. You very well know the exercise 14.2. Okay, today I explain exercise 14.2. And if you have any type of doubt or a query related with your exercise 14.1, then you have to ask me. I give you your answer as soon as possible, and also one things I will tell you. Okay, you have to see all the video, because just tomorrow or 2 days you have to send all the work that is related with your video to the respected class subject teacher. Okay, so everyone have to see all the video and also send the respected work related with this video. So I have to start my today's video with my question first. Before starting this video, I have to tell you something about the mode. What is the meaning of mode? Because this exercise related or based on a mode. So what is the meaning of mode? You very well know. In the previous classes you read this word and also understood the concept of these things. Mode is nothing but mode, just like a higher frequency observation is known as mode. ओके, जिसकी सबसे ज्यादा फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है उसको ही हम मोड बोलते हैं. तो नाउ वी हैव टू टेल यू द न्यू फॉर्मूला ऑफ अ क्लास 10, दैट इज अ मोड. ओके, तो दिस इज अ फॉर्मूला ऑफ अ मोड. सो यू हैव टू राइट दिस फॉर्मूला इन योर नोटबुक. मोड इज इक्वल टू द फॉर्मूला ऑफ अ मोड is equal to, you very well know, the value is L plus F1 minus, what's value you have? F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2, and then after you have to multiply these things with H. Here this formula you are used in this exercise, and then after you have to solve this exercise with the help of this formula. Here we have to know and express one by one all the terms name. So here the name of this L is a lower value of interval, lower value of interval. Clear? Now F1 is equal to frequency, or this value is F0, and also you have to say F2. These all are the frequencies. And here H is the range of interval. So these things you have to know, and then after you have to find the mode. So these things we have to express with the help of a question. So question 1 we have to do here. Question 1 is you have, I read this question. The following table shows the age of the patient admitted in the hospital during a year. So year is given here. So just like year is given, so you have to write all the year, age. Okay, and then after number of a patient. Okay, and then after you very well know this value is 5 to 10 to 15. So this interval is related with the 5 to 15. Second interval is 15 to 25. See in a book. And third interval is 25 to 35. Fourth interval is 35 to 45. Fifth interval is 45 to 55. and the next interval and last interval 55 to 65. Okay, and then you have to calculate the mode. Okay, you have to calculate the mode, and here we write these things and then this. So you do these things and make this table before solving these things, or find the mode. Here the value of patient is 6, now the 11, now the 21, now the next one is 23, now the next one is 14, and now the next one is 5. Clear? This table have to given in the question, and then after you have to find the mode. So how to find the mode? Here we have to, first of all you have to check here, who is the biggest frequency. Beta, here this is an interval, these all the intervals, and these all the frequency. I will tell you again कि these all the interval, and these all the frequency. frequency. These all are the frequency, and you have to search who is the greatest frequency here. Because the mode means is the greatest frequency. Okay, greatest frequency observation. So here who is the greatest value? So we have find the greatest value is 23, because this value is the greatest value compared to the others one. Okay, so then this value is known as the F1. Are you understand these things? This greatest value is known as the F1, and इससे जो ऊपर वाली वैल्यू है this known as the F0, and इससे जो नीचे वाली वैल्यू है this known as the F2. Are you understand? Who is the greatest value? 23. तो 23 is work as a F1, and इससे जो above value है that is called as F0, and इससे जो below value है that is called as F2. Are you understand how to find the F1, F2 and F0? And then after it is the greatest value, then this interval you are used as a range. Are you understand? This interval are used as a range interval. So here this interval is known as the greatest value observation. Okay, so first of all you have to write these things. Okay, so first of all you have to write the module class. So module class are, this is a module class because this frequency is the highest value. So this is known as a module class. So module class is 35 to 45. Are you understand? Then after you have to calculate the lower value. This lower value is known as L. So L is equal to 35. Then after you have to find the range. So range is equal to H is equal to how much? 45 minus 35. That's mean 10. Okay, so these two values we have to find with the help of a module class or with the interval. And then after these are the frequency. So F0 is equal to 21, F1 is equal to 23, and F2 is equal to 40. Okay, by this way, and then after you have to apply this formula and find the mode. So mode is equal to, formula is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 or into H. Okay, into H. So then after you have to put this value here one by one. So mode is equal to L. L means 35 plus F1 is 23. So 23 minus F0 is 21 upon 2 into F1 is 23 and minus F0 is 21 and F2 is 14, and then after you have to put the value of H is 10, so into 10. Are you understand? And then after you have to solve this thing, this value going there 35, that is it. Okay, and this value 23 minus 21, that's value 2 upon, clear? And then after this value is 23 into 2, that's mean 46, minus this value, these two value are a minus, have a minus sign, so then you have to add these things and this value converted into 35, and then after you multiply 2 with 10. Okay, by this way you have to solve these things, and then after you have to solve and get your answer. So mod is equal to 35 plus this value is 20 upon this value is, I think, be 11. Okay, and divide these things. So 35 plus divided 11 1 ja 11. How much value is remaining here? 9. So you have to point, and then after 90, 11 8 ja, and then after you have to 2 and 11 1 ja, and added these things to 36.81 is your answer of a mode. Are you understand how to work with this question and how to find the mode of any interval? Okay, तो by this way you have to solve your question. अब यहाँ से आपको इतना तो पता चल गया होगा कि कैसे हम मोड को सॉल्व करते हैं. Again we have to explain कि these things is very important for finding the mode, because if you are not know the formula of a mode, then you are not able to write down or find the mode value. Are you understand these things? So with the help of these things we have to going to the explain the other question, and here we have to say one things कि you have to find the other questions value, and sorry for saying these things कि you have to do all the question at your home, because all the question are same and you have to use this concept, then after you have to find all the questions answer. Okay, so then after we have to explain the next question, see on a board. Now I will explain the median. Okay, the next topic is median. So median is nothing but you read this formula in the previous classes. If n is equal to odd number. Okay, if n is equal to odd number, then what is the meaning or what is the formula of median? So median is equal to what value you have? N plus 1 upon tooth term. So by this way you have to find the median. Okay, and if the n is equal to even number, then the median is n upon tooth term plus n upon 2 plus 1th term, n upon 2 plus 1th term, or upon 2. So by this way you have to find the median when the observation are given without frequency. This formula is applied when the observation is given only. Okay, when observation is given only, not a frequency is there, then time you have to use this formula. But here the interval also are also given in the question, and this question is related with the table. That time the formula of a median is changed. Here the formula of median for interval, the formula of median is equal to what formula you have? L plus n upon 2 minus Cf upon f into h. This formula you have. Okay, here I explain all the terms that is help to find this formula or value of a median. So L is equal to, that's the same things, lower value of interval. One module class you have to find the one module class. Just a previous video just in a previous question I have to explain how to find the interval or a module class. Then which that concept you have to use here, for finding this value. Okay, and then after n is a number of frequency, या फिर you have to also say these things के total frequency. Okay, total value of frequency. Okay, and now the next is h. H means that same things, range of interval. Okay, range of interval. Are you understand these things? Now we have to explain f. F is a frequency. F is a frequency that have a module class, and also what is the meaning of CF? CF is means cumulative frequency. Okay, CF is means cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. This is known as cumulative frequency. Okay, this is known as cumulative frequency, and this is known as frequency only, and that frequency is find with the help of model class. Okay, model class. With the help of model class you have to find these things, and these things is find with the help of model class, and these things is help to find the model class. Are you understand? This total value of a frequency is held to find the module class or a model class, and then after you have to put the value here, and then you have to find the median. So with the help of this video you have to able to find the module, and also you have to find the mode, median, and module class. Okay, so by this way you have to solve these question in your notebook, and in the next video we have to tell you how to find the median. Okay, and if any type of query you have, then you have to ask me directly, and also you comment below of this video. We have to solve your query, and students, if you have to see this video, then you have to comment in the below of video and write the yes sir, I have to see this video, and write your name, because attendance is importance. Importance here. I have to find how many students see this video. Clear? And give this record to your school. So thank you for watching this video. One things, and I have to say these things. Please register yourself for the Pariksha Pe Charcha, because the Modi ji gives this opportunity to express our feeling on the examination. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.